Hello traders. Welcome back to the channel. Today's market gave us a perfect example of how accurate pre-market preparation can be. In the morning, we clearly mentioned that NIFTY's direction for the day would be flat to negative, based on global cues and sentiment. And Nifty delivered exactly that, a controlled, steady decline throughout the day with no major bullish recovery. Let's break down the entire price action and understand how beautifully it matched our morning prediction. Recap of our morning prediction. Before we look at the chart, let's quickly recap what we said in the morning. Global cues were mixed but leaning negative. US 30 was negative, Asian markets were negative. USD INR was slightly positive, rupee weak, Europe was flat to slightly positive. Based on this, the prediction was very clear. Nifty will remain flat to negative throughout the session, no strong uptrend expected. Intraday weakness likely to show up gradually. Now let's see how the actual movement played out. Today's Nifty behavior. Looking at today's chart, Nifty opened without major excitement, exactly what a flat to negative forecast suggests. From the very beginning, the index struggled to find strength. Every attempt to move upward was met with selling pressure, and the trend slowly but clearly shifted downward. You can see multiple points on the chart where green candles attempted small bounces, but stronger red candles pushed the market down. Price consistently made lower highs and lower lows. This is classic flat to negative behavior. How exactly it matched our prediction? Point 1. No bullish opening. We expected a flat to slightly weak start, and that's exactly what happened. There was no gap up, no surprise strength. Point 2. Selling pressure dominated. The chart clearly shows a steady downtrend, not a panic crash, the exact nature of a flat negative day. Point 3. Controlled weakness instead of a sharp fall. The market drifted down slowly. This is exactly the behavior of a market driven by mild negative global cues. Point 4. Afternoon weak consolidation. In the afternoon, Nifty moved sideways near the lows, proving that buyers had almost no strength to recover. This is textbook flat to negative closing action. Key technical observations. Here are the major technical signals from today. Lower high structure the entire day. Sustained selling on every bounce. Weak closing near day low, no significant bullish reversal candles. These signals confirm two things. The market was already weak from open. The prediction aligned perfectly with price action. When prediction and technicals go hand in hand, trading becomes far easier. What traders could have done today? If you followed the morning analysis, you'd know exactly what to avoid and what to focus on. Trades to avoid. Buying breakouts. Chasing green candles. Expecting mid-day rallies. Trades to prefer. Sell on bounce setups. Look for rejection candles. Follow the trend of lower highs. Use resistance zones for shorting. Today was a day where patience and understanding direction gave a massive advantage. Closing summary. To wrap it up, our prediction of flat to negative played out perfectly. Nifty followed the expected path with steady downward pressure. Technical structure confirmed the sentiment. Traders who respected the trend enjoyed clean opportunities. This is why pre-market analysis is so powerful. If you found this post-market breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.